Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Get ready to dive into the world of Dart, the exciting programming language taking the tech scene by storm. Today, we're going to explore what makes Dart so special and why it's quickly becoming the go-to choice for many developers. Think of Dart as the superhero of programming languages. This client-optimized language is designed to help you build fast, scalable and high-performance web, server, and mobile applications with ease. Created by the tech giant Google, Dart has been around since 2011 but only recently started making waves in the development community. Here's the thing, Dart is not just any ordinary programming language, it's the perfect mix of power and simplicity. With Dart, you can build user interfaces that are lightning fast and ultra-responsive. And the best part? You can do all this on multiple platforms, from the web to servers, desktop and mobile devices. Another reason to love Dart? Its strong type system. Dart ensures that your code is safe from common programming errors, making it easier for you to understand and maintain. Plus, with a rich set of libraries, tools, and plugins, Dart makes it a breeze to build complex applications. Dart may seem familiar to you, but it has some tricks up its sleeve that sets it apart from other programming languages. For instance, its mix-in system allows you to reuse code across multiple classes without having to create a separate base class. How cool is that? And get this, Dart also supports optional type annotations. This means you can choose to specify the types of variables and parameters in your code, or you can skip it entirely. This flexibility allows you to write code that's as explicit or implicit as you want. In conclusion, Dart is the future of programming languages. With its ease of use, strong type system, and unique features, Dart is the perfect choice for developers looking to build high-quality applications in record time. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, it's time to give Dart a shot. Thanks for watching, now go forth and conquer the world of Dart.